Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of Haphie's gym series. How do we spell my name? H-A-P-H-I-E, Haphie. And today we're gonna go over more movements. So let's go. This is a bike. And this bike is really good to help with our cardio or our lungs, our heart. Let's get on the bike and see how much power we can produce. Come on. I'm tired. All right. What's this over here? Come with me. And this is a box. And boxes can be used for many different movements, such as step ups. Hi, I'm Haphie. Or jump ups. Hi, I'm Haphie. And they help us build our legs. So this is a box. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, this is a big weight. Ooh, I can barely move it. This is called a kettlebell. And kettlebells are used for different movements as well, such as kettlebell swings, Russian or American. So these really strengthen the back of our legs, just like the deadlift. So we pick it up. Oh, we can stay nice and tight. And we just swing it back and forth. This is called a Russian kettlebell swing. And then if we go a little higher, it's called an American kettlebell swing. Yep. And that's our kettlebell swings. What else do we have? What is this? A jump rope. Do you guys know how to jump rope? Well, Haphie knows how to jump rope pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the rope pass under my legs once. Here we go. Ooh, maybe Haphie ain't that good, huh? Ooh, now I'm gonna do it twice. Woo! And that was our jump rope. What's this over here? Do you guys remember what this is? This is a wall ball. And the white lettering means it's 20 pounds. And we take the wall ball and we try to throw it to a target. And as you can see, the target's right above me. That's a 10-foot target. We have different targets throughout the gym. We have 9 feet and we have 10 feet. So let's go ahead and throw the wall ball to the 10-foot target. So we set up in our position. Oh, we clean it and then we throw it. And we do wall balls. That's how you do a wall ball. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is called a rower. And rowers help with our cardio and it helps build our lungs. So we take the rower, we strap in our feet, we make sure it's set, and then we just pull. And we keep pulling. We don't pull very hard. We're just going really light right now. And the way this rower works is the flywheel. So, you see the flywheel's inside of here. As long as you keep that flywheel spinning, that's how you get the output of meters and or calories from this display right here. So, come look at the display. And as you can see, we have the M is for meters and the CAL is for calories. So 2 and 51. So let's go over to the pull-up bar and I'll show you guys how to do a pull-up. First, I'm gonna put on my gloves, just like this. Haphie doesn't want to tear his hands. So we put on the one glove, we strap it in, we make sure it's good to go, one glove on, and then we put on the other glove, like that. We strap it in, and then let's do a pull-up. All right, so we're gonna grab onto the bar and we'll pull ourselves up, okay? As strict as possible. So I jump up onto the bar, I got my back set, and I got my leg set. I just pull up, just like that. And that's how you do a pull-up. And there's several variations of a pull-up. You can kip it, which means you swing back and forth like so. Or you can butterfly it. And then there's also something called a muscle up. And that's really advanced. It usually takes quite a while in order for somebody to get a muscle up, but I'll show you how to do one real quick. All right, so I'm gonna jump into the bar and then I'm gonna pull myself over the bar. Wish me luck. Whew, that was our pull-up. The last movement we're gonna go over is called Handstand Walk. Have you guys ever walked on your hands? It's pretty hard to do. And Haphie doesn't know if he can do it right now, but hey, we're gonna give it a try, okay? So I'm gonna try to walk from here to right over there. All right, help me out. Whew. Good job, guys. Thanks for helping me out. Well, that concludes this video. But if you want to see other videos just like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Haphie Learning. And how do we spell my name? Haphie. Haphie. Well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.